It's the Weather Blender blog. It's Tuesday, the 16th of February. Some people call it Fat Tuesday. Right, we're just not going to go there, although I like some of the food that people eat on this day. So what about the snow? Let's jump into it. We have more snow. Great Lakes, a big engine for snow, if you will. We have a disturbance coming in off of the Great Lakes and also good moisture coming in off the Great Lakes, spreading the snow across Ohio into eastern Kentucky and sections of West Virginia. Then the northwesterly wind will just keep on creating the snow. That moisture evaporates off the Great Lakes, and as it runs up against the mountain slopes of West Virginia, we see snow that is squeezed out from those clouds. Here is a picture of the NAM model looking ahead to Wednesday morning. More of that snow. And again, the big areas of low pressure have gone up to the north and to the east, but they're sitting there, and that creates that vortex, which gives you a clockwise spin, which gives you a northwesterly wind, which again is a snow-creating wind in our neighborhood. Looking at new snow depth, let's say through 6 o'clock Wednesday, some of the teal blues get you 2 to 4 inches of snow east of Charleston, but also just to the south too. So that's a nice little accumulation in areas like Logan County and Boone County and Raleigh County. And then it drops right off on the eastern slopes because that's a downslope wind. This is all upslope snow. And again, from Charleston, it's about 2 inches of snow, maybe to 2 to 4 just to the east. Again, from Charleston to the west, it's less than that. It's 1 to 2 inches with a couple of donut holes there. Now looking out with that same pattern that holds on till Thursday night, you can see some of the higher terrain picking up, oh, good 12 inches of snow. Very little again from Charleston to the west. That is all just driven on the northwest wind. That's the NAM model. This is look at the GFS. It is very, very similar. There's a little bit more snow, more like 4 or 5 again, but this is over the course of a couple of days, all the way until 7 p.m. on Thursday. And there will be a good bit of melting too, even in places like Charleston. So the roads will be pretty slick in the morning on Wednesday, but things are going to improve. Now we want to jump out ahead. Weekend, you want to talk about a headache for forecasting. I want to show you this. This is the GFS model. Sunday 7 p.m. shows a storm, low pressure over West Virginia, and the warm air buckling into the cold air. So the rain snow line, the deep blue line, is just to the north of the viewing area. So we would see some rain. Then behind that, you'd see some snow with the cold air tucking in behind that low coming off the eastern side of the high. All right, now that's the GFS model. Let's jump back just a little bit on looking at the Canadian model. Nothing there Sunday morning with some snow. Actually, that rain snow line way to the south, you would actually see the snow get in late and actually be here on Monday. So nothing at all going on Sunday. And then we look at the Japanese model, and it's completely different too. It's cold, but that already has snow here on Sunday morning. This is 7 a.m. on Sunday. So you can see there are huge disparities in the weather models, and it's going to be kind of a hard call here. So for now, we're going to say that there is going to be a chance of something going on Sunday into Monday. And this is the GFS again, looking out to Monday. It would just have some light snow left over. The European model thinks that that same storm happens as the GFS, but on Monday. So we think, again, we should start precipitation late Sunday and then see it change over from some rain to snow heading into Monday. At least that's averaging all the models. That's going to change. I want you to stay tuned with us because we'll bring you more looks at that one. If we get more rain, that obviously could bring us some flooding. If we get more snow, that just adds more headaches for travel, whether it's late Sunday or into Monday. Nonetheless, I look at things, go early Wednesday, 31 degrees or so in the afternoon. That means salt will work. Main roads will just be wet in the afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on the Weather Blender blog.